Right guys, at the plot, I'm going to prune these Twotimer Raspberries. Now, let me just zoom you down a bit. Oh, I almost got the wrong way. Right. Now, can we see all this? Right then, the idea of these Twotimers is they fruit twice. Once on year-old wood, like this, and you can see where the old fruits were here. And then on the new wood. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this lot down a bit. They're a little bit spindly, but it's only a young bush. And these ones that have fruited, we're going to cut off the bits that have fruited. Down to about here, I think, on this one. Yep. And they will grow 1 year wood up here. Up here. And the bottom ones will start off and grow like whatever it is, summer raspberries. So I've got 3 of these to do, and I'm just going to do it very, very quickly. They're not tied in because it's a new wire. It's a bit awkward doing this. Just trying to... I'll pick all the bits up later. Let's do it in the shade. Let me see what we're doing. Well, so that's fruited there. So I'm going to cut that off to there. So that's growing that way. That's fruited. That's growing that way. That's fruited. And I want that one to come back in a bit. So I can go over there. And some of these, I'm just going to cut these down the bottom here. Where are we? I'm going to cut some of these off, and they'll start from scratch. Get the spindly, and that's it really. I'll do another one, and I'll show you over here. That's probably the best one. Oh, this one might be all right actually. They're the red ones I'm just doing now. Nothing at all on the yellow ones down there, look. That one, nothing there on that one. They were tiny, they were from, I think it was Thompson & Morgan, and these were from a proper nursery. So same again, cut off the flowered, cut off the fruited ones. Let's do that one first because that's in the way, we don't want that in the way. Fruited, so I want that one going back in that way. That's fruited, I want that going that way. That's fruited, and I want that upward one there. Oh. And that one's broken off, so I can cut him there. Usual routine, damaged and diseased first. That's a young one, I'm going to put that there. And these down a little bit. There we are. And that's it, really. I'll tie those up eventually. You'll notice as well what is. I put some old shoelaces on the wires, look. Very pretty. One more to do, but this is the smallest one of the lots. This won't take long. And that'll be job 1 for today done. Yeah, it's a bit spindly, this bit old. Oh yeah, get that one down there. Get that crossing one out of there. And I'll take that down. Yeah, a bit smaller that one, look. Yeah, cool, so that's first job done. Right then guys, bit of mass production going on here. Ooh. So build these beds, and I've done a little bit at home already to save losing so many screws, if you know what I mean, because I will. So, ouch. Make sure these go the right way around. I've not taken the plastic coating off these yet, and I'm not totally sure I'm going to. We'll have to wait and see how it goes. At least it's a bit warmer today, my fingers ain't shaking and shivering. It says to wear gloves doing this, and they provide gloves. I might show you them later on if I can remember. But honestly, you can't feel the screws when you use gloves. It's not very sharp actually. This happened the other day. I got a magnetic wireless road mic got caught on it. Yeah, it's not as sharp as the bird's beds actually, which is a bit weird because you think that being only like 20 quid each. There we are. Let's get the first couple in, hold it together. So, going to get more awkward as it's a hexagon. It's going to get a lot more awkward as more pieces go on. And I worked out on the way up here in the car, got 84 machine screws and nuts to fit in the two beds. Well, that's 3 done. Oh dear. Right, here we go. Oops. Ah. Can't see that one. Oh, there it is. Right. Strengthening the strap. Now it says in the instructions not to do the screws up tight until you've got them all in, but it's not going to matter with me because I'm on compost, you know what I mean, soft ground, so it's not going to matter at all. Oops. If you're doing it on a hard patio or something like that, then yeah, because it'll be all out of kilter. Let's get that one on before it falls off. There we are, one done. I'll bring you back when they're all done. Oh, nearly there. Quicker than I thought actually. It's about a quarter of an hour so far. With no undoing, so I got the right way around. I'll show you in a minute what the right way around is. Okay, the only thing you really got to watch out for on the whole assembly is on these outside strips, the holes are all at the top, because this is where these protection caps go, and this is the only sharp part of the whole assembly because these are all rolled edges. So once these are on, that'll be this one. Oh, to be honest, there's so many blooming screws on this. Could probably leave 1 or 2 out if you did lose some, you know what I mean? Right, hang on. Last one then. And it is so much easier if you've got a power drill. Let's do this with a spanner. There we are then. Should have done this first, Steve-o. First rule of manual handling, check your route. And that is going there. Cool, right. Gonna have a quick 5 minutes, guys, and then I'll get on with the next one. Well, there we are then, guys. That's the two hexagonal beds built. The one on the right's not in its proper place yet. I'll just put it there now with a, a fence stake in it, just to hold it down in case it gets windy. So that was about an hour's work altogether. But I was setting on that one, the second build, there was 5 machine screws missing. So to get the protection caps on the top, I had to take a few out the sides. I'll see what I got in my tin at home. There'll be some there somewhere.